What's the name of the act?
Legacy.
Legacy. What you gonna do for us today, Legacy?
We're gonna sing for you guys.
Sing. All right. Is this paying the bills right now?
No, it's not.
I'm a web developer.
I'm a test engineer at a testing laboratory, and I fix people's computers.
Wow. So you guys are all in the tech field.
We're not a typical boy band. We've been together for 8 years, and we're in our 30s, and we feel like we don't belong behind computers in cubicles. We belong on stage, singing our hearts out. This is a huge chance for us.
So you would give up the tech stuff just to sing in a heartbeat?
If we could do what we love every day and not have to go back and go to a computer and program, I would love that.
Doesn't work out, I'll have him come over and fix my computer.
Hi. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Tell us the name of your group.
Our group name is Legacy.
Is there any reason for that?
Just sounded like a great name, and
Okay then. Can you just each individually tell us a little bit about yourselves?
I program websites, you know, totally different from music, so.
I'm a call center customer care specialist.
I'm a computer service technician. Well, I'm a test engineer. I mean, even though I have the 9-to-5, it pays the bills. This is my dream. This is what I feel like I belong to do.
Okay. Enjoy yourselves.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good thing you asked them to talk a little bit about themselves.
Don't you know I sit around with my head hanging down, and I wonder who's loving you. Life without love is so lonely. I don't know if I can make it. All my life belongs to you only. Come on and take it, girl. Come on and take it, girl. Who's loving you?
Sing.
You know, I have to apologize to Mel B right now. When you guys were being spoken to by Mel B, afterwards I said, you know what? You've got some nerve asking those guys about their life story. It is the most boring, horrible, computer boring story I've ever heard. It was the most brilliant marketing ploy ever. I said, the 4 most brutally boring people in the world opened their mouths to sing, and you were godlike. Who cares that you worked in the computer business? I predict these guys are going to be out of the computer business and full-time in the singing business. That's how good you are. So I apologize.
How were you stood up?
It was. I did stand up. This show proves time and time again that you can't judge a book by its cover.
Heidi.
You four are really, really good. I enjoyed it. You have amazing voices. I also think that you're very smart, that you're giving those two the spotlight. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was great.
Well, for a start, that is probably one of my favourite songs of all time. But listen, the reason why I wanted you to talk to us all individually is because I have a sixth sense, and I could sense we were going to actually experience something quite amazing. And I'm glad that we got to hear your story with semi-boring jobs. And I think, you know what? You just knocked it out of the ballpark. And thank you for reassuring that my sixth sense is spot on.
You know, I got to tell you, Mel.
Amazing.
I got to tell you.
Amazing.
Isn't Mel amazing? You give her a little compliment, and then she blows it up into something ridiculous. She doesn't have a sixth sense.
I do. Okay, let's vote. Howie.
Yes.
Heidi. Yes. Howard.
Yes.